Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about how to install Google Tag Manager and how to install Google Analytics using Google Tag Manager. First of all, you have to log in your Google Tag Manager and then click on create account. Here you can use any name and then write down here your website URL without HTTP. If you don't have dev, you don't need it. And now you can select your options. If you have web application, then you can select these sections as well. Otherwise you can choose web. So we are creating for web, so you can see how we do this. Now accept it and yes. So this is how you created a Google Tag account. Now you have to add your script. Copy this script and put this script in a head section and put this script in a body section. You can add this in the heading section in the last area, and you have to put this in the here they also written paste this code immediately after the opening body. So copy this and go to WordPress, click on theme file editor and then click on header. So this is a theme header. So if you don't have WordPress website, you can ask your developer that add this script in the head tag. So here we have head tag ended, so here we will put this script I already have. And now this is a body opening tag. After that we will add the second script. So where is our second script? So this is our second script. Now you can test it and you can put your website and test it. For example, my website is https dev.example.com. So this is just a demo, and when you click here it will show you. I don't added actually that script and I don't have this website access, so it's just to tell you that how you can create. So when you will test it, it will show you a right sign here and you can understand that yes, my script has added. So now you can, I will tell you how to add Google Analytics. So go to your account. I will use second account, so I can show you live website how we can do this. So you have to click on tags and click on new tag and then click here, then select Google Analytics, then select Google Tag. And we will use Google Tag because it is the best practice. Here we have to add Google Analytics measurement ID. So click on admin in Google Analytics and then click on data stream and click on here and then copy measurement ID from here and paste it here. So this is how you can create. And in the trigger already added all pages, so it will be fired on all pages. And now you can save it and name we can see GA4 setup and save it. So I added this. I already have, but I added this for you so you can understand this. I am deleting this. This is the same tab which I already have. So here if you want to see again, you can see these all setup we already done. Now you have to test it. Click on preview and here you have to click here. If website URL is not visible, you have to add website, and here you can see right sign. That means you added your Google Analytics code through GTM and perfectly. So this is how you can set up your Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics. Make sure you are not duplicating, because this Google Analytics you already added, or maybe you are you have Google Analytics script, you have to remove it. Otherwise it will, your data will be corrupted, and duplicate clicks or users you will find. So keep it with Google Tag Manager. Now you can create here events, scroll events, and button click events and anything. So it is more helpful and easy to use. You can keep all the code on a one place. You can also add Google Ad scripts, Facebook pixels, and one more thing, you can add any other scripts from templates. Click on template and then search on from gallery. Suppose you want to add a Facebook pixel, you can search Facebook. So here you can see Facebook related searches are here. So whatever you want to use, you can use from here. If you select this and add to the workplace, it will show you when you create a Google tag. So suppose here you want to, so here you will find it. So by default it provides few options. You can also use custom HTML and add your Facebook pixel. Here are more options, you can use easily. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you still need any help or do you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. Have a nice day.